A complete guide to register in Huawei course. Click on the link provided in description below. This page will appear on screen. Right-click on screen and click on Translate to English button. Now, when page is translated to English, click on Login, Register button on top right corner of screen. Login page will open. First of all, you need to register yourself. Click on Register button. Now the registration form is open. Here you can register while using your mobile phone or email. You can toggle between options using above button. Now choose the country, Pakistan. Provide email or phone number you have choose earlier. Get verification code. Then provide username and password and click on Register. Agree privacy policies. You may also need to solve the CAPTCHA sometime. Congrats, you have been registered in your course. Now explore different modules and choose your favorite. When you choose your module, join the study. Click on Enroll button to start learning and then start learning by watching videos. At the end of module, attempt exam of module and earn certificate. Thank you for watching video. Don't forget to like and share this video.